Welcome back to another Buc-ee's update video on the channel. Today is Monday, October 14th, 2024. We're in Huber Heights, Ohio, at the site of Ohio's First Buc-ee's. Last week's video, we told you we may not have an update this week because we had to go out of town this weekend, but it's Monday night. We decided to take a drive down and check it out and see if there's been any changes since last week. And it looks like they're getting ready to do some of the drainage work from what we see up on the north end of the property. The area down by the pond that they were working on last week is all leveled out and smooth now, and the water's back in the pond. And what else, Sonia?
The power poles have not yet been relocated. Still waiting on that.
So, been a few changes. It looks a little different from the drone today than it did last weekend. So that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can catch all the Buc-ee's construction updates. Thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Goodbye.
Bye.